So I'm trying to hide my double chin. Is it working? I'm just gonna sit like this the whole time.
No.
Yeah, cause look, see? It's too many.
Let me tell. I only see one.
See, man. Alright. So today, we made chicken. I don't have a name for them yet.
Nope.
But one of them is Asian and one of them is orange. Orange.
Chicken.
Orange chicken.
Okay, are we gonna flip the camera and show them the chicken?
Orange.
Don't do that again.
It's the chicken. Don't mind Melba's nose.
That's Nishi Shashi Palalala. Nishi Shashi Palalala.
This is
And
not okay.
And that's orange chicken right there. You know.
So it was more, but you know, when you live with
Fat asses.
niggers. Alright, that's Melba. Don't look directly at her. Got niggas turned to stone.
Stone, man.
No, got them stone niggas out there.
Anyways, we're supposed to be tasting this.
You get
Give
it,
her a bad review,
stone,
by the way.
because the name is Blazen. So stone, you get it? Like stoners, see? Look, you ain't even get it, man. I'm too mental for you, man. That's the problem.
That's the problem.
Got
All
too
right,
much
you
of the
ready?
knowledge, man.
Got too much knowledge and no GED.
Are you ready to taste the chicken?
You're not in the set, little black kid.
I'm not in the set. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm not
What?
gonna sit here and taste the chicken in front of the camera. This is
They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, look how she's eating.
All right. Because that's not edible. We're good. Which one we trying first?
the Asian, I guess.
The Asian one? Yeah, the Asian one.
No
So-
one judge.
Spoiler alert. We already tried this. But
Yeah, we did.
this is
They're a
Asian
couple.
chicken. This is something
Don't look at him, because he look funny.
you eat with like white rice.
For real. And sauce. Smart. Bing message in my head. Look, ding, 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 ding.
Or I would eat this with macaroni.
Oh yeah, it would be good with
Like,
Macaroni?
Yes, it
Oh,
would.
God damn. The fuck
It
people?
would.
When the fuck people talk?
This is my favorite one. For
Yeah, I like it.
This is. It don't even taste like sweet Asian chicken, but it does at the same time. And with honey. See, look, get closer, man.
Oh,
Get
hold
closer
on.
here.
How you do it?
No. Just get close, man.
oh, okay.
Now move up, man. Come
Oh, okay. Hold on, hold
Hey,
on.
man.
All right. The cameraman's little buzz.
Not too different in the honey.
See?
Oh,
You see that?
yeah.
Get that
Oh, hold
layer
on, hold
good.
on.
Get that good layer.
All right. Yeah.
See?
Look like every other chicken in the world.
I'm so
Look
weak.
like
No.
KFC chicken.
That don't. No
think
comment.
Yeah, I
I
don't
lied.
think so.
KFC don't look this burnt, huh?
Oh.
Nah, it's good though.
Oh.
Nah, I like my chicken with a little bit of crunch. And it's good like this. Like if you made it like this again, I would eat it again. I would literally lick this shit. But
So. Damn. Oh, wait. I have my chin. There you have it. The two loaders have spoken. Because they're freeloaders. You get it?
stop saying that.
Loaders. You get it? That's what I call them. Freeloaders.
Going on my page. Hell no.
Don't tag us, man.
Why not? Is it
Don't
funny?
tag me or nothing.
Why not?
Mel and Jay, come on.
Okay,
now.
so with the
Oh,
orange,
they Mel and J,
Listen.
whatever that means.
with the orange chicken, it's good. And what I like about it is
I would eat that with yellow rice.
how when you first eat it, it's just I don't know how to describe the first taste, but the second taste, like the towards the end,
Let me try it for you.
it has like a zesty to it. Like it
y'all
gives
get a
it
good piece of
little-
chicken with
yeah.
it.
No, no. You need
Grab
to
a piece of y'all old damn
Look.
chicken.
look at that.
Dip that in that honey. We're gonna sell it on the website,
Wait.
and we're gonna come to y'all at the BP on Lynchburg.
Come see us.
Message.
I would definitely
It's just good.
eat this with like Spanish rice and beans.
Rice and beans.
Yeah. You mean
For real.
That's lime, babe. Why would we eat that with a taco?
Fried
Yes.
taco lime chicken. Man, my mind racing now.
You can chop it up and put it on the taco and put whatever toppings they want on it.
And that'd be like their meat if they don't want ground beef
Yeah.
Yo.
or steak
Oh, my head's spinning. Look.
or red meat
Spinning.
too. Or you
I
know
will show you.
they got the oh we gotta learn how to make vegan stuff too.
Yes, I agree. Like other alternatives for like people who can't. Well, yeah, for people who can't
Yeah.
have this like meat.
Yeah.
Who don't
So
eat
for
meat.
people who can't have this, we don't have anything yet, but we'll soon be making
Tofu.
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 For y'all people out there in that community. So for all our meat lovers.
This is where it's at.
Yeah, exactly.
And cut.
Perfect.